Hello guys, here is a useful purpose for belching, which is also called burping. It has a pretty simple and useful purpose. Its main purpose is to release excess air, that is gas, from the stomach. When you swallow air, like when eating fast, drinking fizzy drinks, chewing gum, or talking while eating, that air needs a way out. Belching helps. 1. To relieve pressure and bloating in the stomach. 2. Reduce discomfort or fullness. 3. It helps the digestive system feel more comfortable. Occasionally, belching is normal. That's very true. And it's a fact, not a myth. But frequent or excessive belching can sometimes be linked to things like eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, e.g., soda, indigestion or acid reflux, anxiety or swallowing a lot of air. Kama mnaweza kumbuka ile part ya ukiwa na mtoi mdogo ulikuwa ukimnyonyesha kabla haja belch huwa analia, so ilikuwa inabidi ukimnyonyesha usimlalishe direct juu ukimlalisha atateuka before, so ilikuwa unamsimamisha kwanza. I'm saying vile mi nilifundishwa, unamsimamisha kwanza, like unamrub hapo kwa mgongo juu karibu na shingo, somewhere there, unamrub polepole tu until he or she belches. If he or she does so, the baby is good to go. Yeah, and most of the time alikuwa ni kama vile ananyonya, kuna hewa inaingia, so juu ananyonya haraka, then something like that, ana breastfeed mbio, nitumie at least a professional word. Yeah, today it was about that. So guys, follow me, like my video, visit my YouTube channel and subscribe, share to many viewers. Yeah.